Okay, and I'm going to push some buttons, and when you hear the beep in your ear, I want you to raise your hand, okay?
When you hear the beep, raise your hand, okay?
It's like practicing for school.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, are you ready? All right. Let me make sure I know which ear I'm on. Good job. Which ear did you hear the beep?
There's two in here and one here.
Okay. So when you hear the beep in this ear,
Raise this hand.
this hand. And when you hear it in this ear, this hand goes right up, okay? I was like, I think she's hearing it. I can see it from her eyes. All right. Good job. Good job.
Yeah. Huh? Bear. 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 Dad.
Good job.
Daddy. Daddy. Dad. 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 Dad.
Yeah. All right. Okay, one more time, okay?
Bim. 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 Bim.
Look, she's having fun.
You're getting really good at this. You did awesome. You passed.
You
You can hear. You may not listen, but you can hear.
Right.
Right?
That deserves a sticker, huh? On the way out.
Really good. All right.
I did fast.
Ready?
Ready?
Where's the beep?
Can you hear a beep? This side? Which side is it?
I heard it.
Huh?
Yeah, it was that side. We'll see.
Left.
Here.
Was it the
What
left side?
ear?
Can
What
you
ear
beep?
was that?
Put this hand up.
You're not having it, are you?
I think you just want the song.
Which side? Okay.
Do you have any?